In this high-tech world, each and every minute our respiratory system encounters smoke from cigarette, noxious fumes from pollution, cold dry air, dust, microbial infection and allergens. All these ultimately lead to cough and various serious respiratory disorder. In order to cut this cough, we introduce Crux cough syrup. Crux cough syrup is enriched with tulsi, a powerful antimicrobial agent. Crux cough syrup contains mentha piperita, which relieves the inflammation of oral mucosa. Crux also contains navsar, known for its mild expectorant properties.
Crux has beneficial values of nilgiri oil that helps in coughing by loosening phlegm.
Adusi, present in Crux cough syrup, is bronchodilator, as it relieves the inflammation and clears mucus from the lungs. And also, it is an antitussive. Crux contains yashti madhu for soothing the sore throat and reducing the hoarseness of voice. Crux is a clinically proven formula for relief in cough. As per clinical trial reports, significant reduction in coughing intensity was observed in over 90% patients after the first day of treatment with Crux cough syrup. The clinical trial for Crux cough syrup is published in a well-recognized international journal of research in Ayurveda and pharmacy. It is non-sedative, non-constipating, non-alcoholic. It is totally safe for pregnant lady, pediatric and geriatric patients.
So doctor, may I look forward to have your extensive prescription of 2 teaspoons full of Crux syrup in adults and half to 1 teaspoonfuls Crux syrup in children? Thank you doctor. Have a nice day.